Alrighty, YouTube squad, it's your boy Kev here, coming at you today with another exciting video. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere from $50 to $100 using either your cell phone or a computer. Alright, so you don't want to miss this video. Stick around for the whole video. It's not going to be a real long one, but it'll certainly show you a good way to make some money. Alright, we're going to get you started on that right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. Like I said earlier, I'm going to show you a way that you can make some money each day using a cell phone or a computer. It doesn't matter where you're at. And I'm pretty sure that this is available anywhere in the world, okay? Alrighty, first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com. And if this is your first time to my videos, or you've been here before and you still haven't yet subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. I'm always bringing you good value on how to make money from home and free up your time. Alrighty, reach down there below right now and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click on that bell so you get notified of when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here. Alrighty guys, also for those newcomers to my videos, what we do here is affiliate marketing videos, anything to do with making money online videos to help you out, and once in a while we throw in a motivational video as well. Alright, with the to-do out of the way, let's go ahead and get started on this video here. Kind of anxious to show this to you here today. And what we're going to do here is come over to a website I found, and we'll click on the browser here and open it up, and it's called validately.com. Validately, look up here in the address bar, it's validately.com right there. And this website, what they do is they take people on, customers on, that will need people to test out their applications and websites for them so that they can get feedback from their users on how well they're doing, how well the websites are doing, how easy it is to purchase products or whatnot from their websites and their applications, hence using your cell phone to do this as well. Alright, so what we can see down through here is they deal with a lot of big time name companies such as Google and Amazon. You see here, web.com, Emfer, Allstate. Everybody knows about Allstate Insurance, right? Microsoft, that's no stranger to Fortune 500 companies. And Twilio. Twilio is a good online company too. And they come here, these companies come here, and they hire this company to have testers test out their products, and so on and so forth. So as you can see here, they recruit from customer lists, moderated recruiting, unmoderated recruiting, and then they allow them to even, actually the companies that are new to this website can even have a free trial if they like to check out how they like Validately's services. Alright, it says our platform is specifically built for user testing, conduct moderated research studies at every stage of product development to validate hypothesis early and often. And as you can see in the little graphic right here, there someone is testing a website, how well a website works. I mean, looks like pretty easy work to me. I don't know about you guys. They have research tools as our dedicated testing platform includes screen sharing, note-taking, clip creation, video sharing, and more, using desktop and mobile, as I told you. Test prototypes, websites, and applications, including native applications, on both desktop and mobile, including iPhone and Android. And unlimited observers, stakeholders can join in live sessions as observers, and collaborators can take timestamp notes, and so on and so forth, and focus on feedback. And you can see here this little graphic here where it looks like somebody's testing out Amazon.com's product cart or sales cart, checkout cart when they're purchasing a product here. and giving feedback to Amazon about that. And so anyways, what you want to do is come here to validately.com, and you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom down here. And if you look down here at the bottom underneath all these categories here, you come underneath panel and you come down here where it says get paid to test, right? Now we're going to find out how you can make some money on this website as well. So you click on get paid to test, click on that, and that brings us over to this page right here, and it says test websites, make money. It's that simple. Okay, here again you can see thousands of companies use Validately to improve their products, including Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Salesforce, and again Allstate Insurance. And it says here, how does it work? You make money for every test you take. You'll be asked to complete a set of tasks, speak your thoughts aloud, and answer questions regarding a website or application. And basically how it starts is you're going to sign up. You can either click here to sign up, and or there's a, you can click here. They got buttons, 3 buttons on this page here, this link and 2 other buttons here. And you'll be asked to provide basic demographic information about yourself, which I'll show you here in just a moment. And number 2, you just start taking the tests, and you'll start receiving emails offering money for feedback on websites and applications. So it seems pretty easy, doesn't it? I mean, it's pretty simple here. And number 3, you just simply get paid. You'll be paid for every test you successfully complete. All right? Some of the frequently asked questions are, what do I need to get started? You just need a computer with a microphone or an Apple or Android smartphone for mobile studies. Now, one requirement about this is you've got to have Google Chrome browser. Either have Google Chrome browser on your phone or on your computer, which Google Chrome browser is pretty much the standard used in the world today. It's rated the best browser in the world. It really is. Then you need a high-speed internet connection. You must be at least 18 years old, which I think probably most of you are. This can be done by 18 or above. And you must have the ability to communicate in English. So if you can speak English fairly fluently, you qualify to do this, right? Now the other thing is you will need to have a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, it's easy enough to get one. Most people do. I have one, and I think most everybody in the world does pretty much now. PayPal is pretty much the universal. Well, they were the first, I think, and then next comes all the other ones after that. But PayPal was the first. But if you don't have a PayPal account, you simply come over to paypal.com, which you see up here in the address bar. And then you just click on sign up. It's free to sign up for a PayPal account. You just use a email address for that. One of your email addresses will work just fine. And that way you can send and receive money using PayPal. And then when you get the money into your PayPal account, it's easy enough. If you want, you can have that money sent over to your bank account directly from PayPal. Alrighty? So 2 things here. Make sure that you have Google Chrome and you have a PayPal account. Those are probably the 2 most required things on here, and a computer with a microphone. Of course, already your Apple iPhone or your Android phone is going to have a microphone on it and the capability to use that for videos or chatting or whatnot, right? Alright, so it says how often are tests available? Well, tests are available daily. Not every tester matches the criteria for every test, so you may be notified about available tests less frequently. How much money will I make and how will I be paid? That's what we're interested in, right? It says payments vary based on the test. However, many of our studies pay in the $100 range. Pretty good. You can make pretty good money with this website right here. And it looks like pretty easy work, actually, guys. It really does. For a live remote research session. All payments are processed through PayPal within 7 business days of completing your test. So that's why you need to have a PayPal account so they can pay you, right? So then you just basically want to click on any of these links here where it says start making money. It says you can earn money by helping companies improve their products. Pretty easy, actually. This is websites and apps. Pretty easy. I mean, everybody's pretty familiar with browsing and working with websites and purchasing off of websites today, and so on and so forth, and even working with different applications as well on your phones or tablets or whatever. So click Start Making Money, and it's going to bring you here. Now, like I said earlier, they want to find out some demographic information about you, right? So if you come here and you register as a tester and start earning money, you're going to click on Create an Account here. And it's going to take you through sort of like a survey type of thing, but they're going to find out a little bit about you, what you have and what you like, what your name is, what your gender and stuff. So for example, I'll walk you through this, a few pages of this. It's just basically, what type of mobile phone or device do you own? Well, I have an Android, so I'd click Android and then choose Next. And then it's asking what type of computer do you own? Well, I have both laptop and desktop, and I always run Windows myself, but you can see if you have a Chromebook, Linux, or Mac, those or other, whatever, those are all accepted as well, so that's a good thing. So I have Windows PC, so highlight on Windows PC and click Next. And then what version of Windows do you use? Well, I've used them all, but right currently I have the most updated version of Windows 10. So I click on that and click Next. And then it asks you what your gender is, male or female. Well, that would be male. Click on that, and then it's asking you what year were you born, and you type that in, go to the next, and I think there's about a total of about 7 or 8 questions here. And then at that point you'd be signed up and be eligible to begin to take tests for this company and make money. And you can do this pretty much daily. I would think that they're going to have lots of tests available for you to make money on this website. This looks like a pretty easy thing to do, guys. I don't see why you wouldn't want to do this. So make sure you come over here to validately.com, click on Get Paid to Test, sign up, go through their little questionnaire to find out your demographics, sign up, and begin to make money taking these tests for these companies, these big name Fortune 500 companies that want your opinions and your ideas about their websites and applications. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, that's what I had for you today. It's a great way to make some money here. Don't forget to reach down there and subscribe and hit the bell. And if you like this video and got some value from it, give me a thumbs up too, if you would. And now if you want to make bigger money and you want to get out of the rat race of a 9-to-5 job or whatever that you're in, click that link down there where it says mentorwithkev.com and check out that business opportunity that I have there, and you can make high ticket commissions with that. Alrighty, guys. Well, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care and have fun making money with validately.com. Take care, guys. See you later. Bye-bye now.